Hello everyone, it's Monday. I haven't done a video on the Jaguar for a while, so I thought I'd share it with you. I'll show you the kind of the colors I'm going with the interior and whatnot. I know a lot of you have seen pictures of it, priming it, going through the motions, so now I thought I'd share some video so you can see it, talk a little bit about it. Okay, you're probably wondering WTF on the red. Well, I was looking at a lot of race cars, NASCAR cars mainly, and the underframes are always painted these bold colors, so I thought red with the gray would look great. The seats will be black and orange because the top here is going to be orange up here, and this will be gunmetal here. The wings will be white, you know, over there's the wings. They're drilling them out for wiring and whatnot. So anyways, yeah, these are the control panels here. Got to drill the wires for that. I'll probably run the wires through the spine here, or maybe through here would be a lot easier, because there's no wiring in here. You have these little, see, nothing's glued in yet. Little details which all have to be, I still got to put some colors on it, you know, some different, you know, maybe even some blues and some silvers, chromes. These black things back here, I'm going to make some of them high gloss black and some of them chrome, like ulcer chrome. So I based them out in this flat black paint that I got, which is really awesome paint. I got to get more of it. Now this is the paint. I've never heard of them before. I can't remember where I got this paint, but it goes on really nice. I like it. You can tell it has a different top on it, curved. It looks like those paints that you get at the paint store. But for the life of me, I don't know where I got it, but I like it because it goes on really even and really nice. So anyways, yeah, that's the interior so far. You know, the superstructure underneath is even red with a little bit of tan on the padding part. So we can get down there so you can see a little bit. So of course we paint all these in different colors and whatnot. And of course the primered parts, you know, ready for paint as well. Engines I'm gonna I was looking at some of my Formula cars, and I like some of the engine colors because a lot of them are like gunmetals, blacks, chromes, aluminums, even some blue, hints of blue on some of the piping. You know, it's silver blue, which I think is really going to set it off great. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. That's the grill. That's the tiny Jaguar. This is done on translucent white, and when you fit it in there, of course it's not placed right. It'll backlight. Kind of, I'm going to put an RGB back here, so it'll change colors and then backlight the Jaguar. So I think that'll look pretty neat because it's slow changing colors. You know, just sort of a bell and whistle. Excuse me. You know, of course, I was doing a test. I had to make new doors. They're over there waiting patiently for rubber, as I don't have any. I used it up when I molded this thing. But these doors are too small to fit in there. The doors go on the bottom of the ship. But I thought it might look interesting to make them red, translucent red. Maybe I'll go with a different color. I don't know yet. But yeah, just to see them red like that, you know, because it is a race car and it is for show. You know, why not make them red? Well, let's see if I can hold it up there. So, not red, maybe blue. I got these opaque colors that you can add to clears, tints. I'm sorry, and I had a hell of a time trying to find the right kind of tint because the reds are coming out pink. Now these pieces go. These are going to be lighting up. I don't want to sound racist there. Sorry. These are going to light up. These strips in here. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with this. I mean, people can put lights in there, they can put detail, but I'm going to put some lights in there, strip lighting, so these will light up red across the back, almost like tail lights. So I thought that might be an interesting thing to do. This is over the ceiling there that goes. I didn't really ever show that part. It goes in here. Once you get the window in, it'll fit here like so. It's a little. This part kind of not as flat as it needs to be. Have to put a little bit of a heat gun to this guy, you know, and so it'll flatten out in there. And you really don't see a whole lot of it anyways when you look through there. There's very little to see with the window, but I just made it anyways just in case. You never know. Maybe if you're looking through the lower windows here, you know, you might see them. So, yeah. But, you know, looks like in there could use a little doodad or two, a little strip of detail on the bottom of that piece. I guess I'll make one and mold it up. I get plenty of shallow relief detail I can use. Oh yeah, real quick. I kind of got inspired by this picture for colors. That's why I'm going to use the orange This is a really bad, just like, this ain't like a glossy, very bad picture. But I like the fact it's got black and orange, so I'm gonna do that with my seats. And this gray here is what turned me on to making that gray, you know, so the grays and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Archangel. Then I just, I'll always do a lot, print up a lot of reference on things to see certain things I like about it. And I guess that's it for now. Bye-bye.